In the morning, at 6 o'clock I take the cow from its house, and then she always sleep. She likes sleeping every morning. Until 8 o'clock I bring her to the field. These chickens run into the cow's house. These are natural eels get from the lake. It's this very popular in some counties. These eels generally live in ponds, lakes, and canal. It mostly eat Babylonia food or some food that bad smell. A chicken is not afraid of people. It always comes in front of the door. Some black ducks and brown duck eating and walking away. They eat a lot every day. We spend too much for their foods. These goose are angry when the people go near them.